Are you interested in growing exotic and tropical fruits from seeds? Have you ever wondered, is it possible to be able to grow these tropical fruits at home? Well, my name is Yvonne, and welcome to Step by Step Farming, where my goal is to help you to have a self-sustainable lifestyle and help you to have more control over your life. Now, before you put any seeds in the dirt, there's two things I want to make sure that you know first before you do that. Now, this all started with my husband, who is the owner of the YouTube channel Fruit for Your Life. He made a major lifestyle change and he became a fruitarian. Now, a fruitarian is someone that primarily eats fresh, raw fruit. And when he did this, he lost 70 pounds within 3 to 4 months. It's amazing. I mean, the transformation. And actually, if you check out the channel, please check it out, because he starts his journey from like at the very beginning, and he documented everything every single day. And so anyway, he changed his lifestyle. This is how he wants to eat. And so it really did something to him, because now he really wants to grow tropical fruits on his own. And so I'm like, hey, babe, let's do this. So we took a trip to Florida, and where, he could go and experience the fruit markets and the exotic fruits and things that, where I live, you've never even ever heard of any of these things before. And so we went down there and we brought a lot of the seeds back with us. And I'm going to show you all the things that we brought back. Okay, so these are the seeds that we brought back, and I'm going to explain which ones they are. These are mango seeds, but hey, I've got to tell you these mangoes that we had, they're called Keitt Mangos, K-E-I-T-T. These were the sweetest mangoes I have ever had. I've never had any mangoes like this in my life. They were incredible. So we had to bring some seeds back for this. These seeds are from people call them custard apples. And these fruits have kind of like a custard cream on the inside. They're very delicious. This one, if I was to pick this up, a lot of you may not even know what this is. This is actually an avocado seed. And I cannot tell you what the name of the avocado it was, but it was bigger than my hand, and it was delicious. Have to go ahead and try that one. These seeds are soursop seeds, and they are very beneficial to health. And then these right here, these are Mamey Sapote seeds. And they're really like a beautiful kind of a brown, shiny seed, almost kind of looks like a rock. The first thing is, why did we go to Florida? Why not somewhere else? Well, we went to Florida because Florida is the only place in the United States that you can grow exotic and tropical fruit trees. And that is because Florida is the closest to the equator. So when you look on this planting zone map, you'll see right here that going to need to be in zone 10A and zone 10B. That's the sweet spot of where you're going to be able to grow your tropical fruits and your exotic fruits, okay? Now, if you are like us, where we don't live in the sunshine state of Florida, then it is possible to grow tropical fruit trees in your area. However, you're going to need to it's going to require a little more effort on your part, okay? So what does that mean? That means that you're going to need to have a greenhouse where you can control the climate. You're going to need to keep it nice and hot, very warm in that greenhouse. Even in the wintertime, if you want to leave them outside, you're going to have something like that. Or you will have to bring your plants inside every year because they have to have hot weather. They're not going to be able to survive in the cold. So it is possible. There are people that are doing it. It's like I said, it's just going to require a little more work on your part, okay? Now, where can you get these exotic tropical fruit seeds? Well, if you are in an area where you do have access to these particular fruits, obviously the best suggestion would be to use the seeds from the fruits that you purchase. Now, if you do not have access to things like that, you can order seeds online. So that's not a problem at all. So I hope that this was helpful. Stay tuned for the next videos I'm going to put out, where I will actually show you how to plant these seeds that we brought back. And I'm going to do a comparison with my tower garden, where I'm going to put some seeds in my tower garden and I'm going to plant some of the seeds in dirt. And we're going to just kind of compare and see which ones do the best. So I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe and like and share with those that you feel will benefit from this video. All right, I appreciate you guys and have a good one. Bye.